melody of the Londonderry Air. I will play through this piece first, and then we'll break it down into smaller sections. We start with the first phrase, starting with 7, and because this first phrase will require us to play this 6 as well as a low 6. So at some point I need to turn my finger. I think the easiest way is to turn the finger here. In fact, you can play that 6 with left hand. But let's carry on. Let's play the next phrase. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2. Requires a little bit stretching over here. So then you can have a finger for 6. And the next phrase is just simply a repeat of the first one. Have for the chorus we need to reach the top one, so it's better to start with finger 2, 5, 6, 7, 1. But over here it might be a good idea to shift your hand over down so you can play the low one. Yeah, like this. Next phrase. Next, I want to reach the top 3. 5, 5. It's a bit challenging because you want to stretch to top 3, and then when you want to play the rest, at some point you need to shift your hand for 5, 3, 1 over here. So I suggest the best way is to change your hand position when you are playing that C. So move your little finger to C, and then you can play C major chord. That's a C major chord, isn't it? And lastly, we'll play so that's the melody line. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to play the melody with the left hand. Thank you very much for watching.